Hey guys, in today's video I would like to show you a cool software which is very affordable and yet very good for the purpose of editing photos. It is very similar to Photoshop. There are several reasons why I like this software. Well, first of all, if you've ever used Photoshop, you can easily use the software. There is a lot of similarities. It will take you maybe a few days to get accustomed to some of the things, but it's much easier to learn it. And you can do a lot. You can create layers in here. You can restore images, and basically I would say 95% of all of the options which Photoshop allows you to do, you can do it in here. This is much better software than any free solution that is currently available to download. This software is called Affinity Photo, and there are three separate programs which you can buy individually depending on your needs. So Affinity Photo is like Adobe Photoshop or GIMP. It's much better than GIMP in my opinion. I've been using it for over a year, pretty much for exactly a year, because I bought it last year in June. And you can do a lot of things in here and it's very affordable. So if you are starting your journey or you would like to come off the Adobe subscription, then this is the software to have. There are a few reasons why I love this software so much. And first of all, there is still a sale going on until tomorrow, the 30th of June, which you can buy all of the software with 50% off. Pretty much on all apps and content, as they saying here. Affinity Photo is just one piece of software. The second one is Affinity Designer, which is like Adobe Illustrator or Inkscape. I think it's better than Inkscape in my opinion. The third piece of software is Publisher. So if you're publishing, or if you want to publish KDP books or create templates for flyers and ebooks and things like that, then this is yet another software which will be very useful for you. The best thing about Affinity products is that you're not paying the subscription. It's only one payment. The price is £24. And there are three versions. There is iPad version, there is Windows, and there is Mac. There are several advantages of this. Well, first of all, you're getting the software on sale, 50% sale. Based on the past 12 months, they've had free sales during the whole year. So if you won't get this piece of software right now, which is June 2021, you'll have a chance to buy it with 30% off during the Black Friday, as it happened last year in 2020. And then again, they're running the sale, the 50% off sale throughout the January. As it happened this year, it was similar to June. They ran the sale throughout the whole month of January. That's provided that you don't want to pay full price. You can get it at half price or 30% off. I will add the times when you can get the sales down below in the description field. Well, the second advantage is that you're not paying the subscription. With Adobe products, you have to pay monthly. Whether you are only using Photoshop and you pay like $10 a month or $12 a month, or you're using the whole suite of the whole Creative Cloud and you're paying $60-70. I'm not quite sure how much exactly that is, but still it's monthly payment. And you're gonna end up paying it forever. Of course, you're getting updates. With Affinity products, you're getting 1 year of updates. The second thing is that you can install it on multiple computers. However, you cannot really install on Mac and Windows simultaneously because you will need two different licenses. So if you've got like three Windows based laptops, then you're good to go. You cannot use them simultaneously, but you can have multiple copies of the software installed. And there are help and support materials in here, like user forum. Next thing which I would like to mention about Affinity is that you're getting a full version of product on trial for 90 days. I've never came across any company offering 90 days worth of trial on software. So if you won't buy it right now on sale, then get a trial, check the software, and try it out, play with it. And if you're gonna make up your mind about it, then wait for another sale and buy it for 50% off. There is no guarantee, of course, that the sales will be exactly the same like last year, but based on that, what I've seen, I bought it on sale in 2020, and it was June 2020, 50% off. I've had the price as well. So it's June 2021 and there is 50% off as well. So kind of I am safe to assume that the next sale will be Black Friday with 30% off, and then again in January 50% off. Also, there is a growing library of tutorials which you can easily access. So for example, you can learn directly from their website, and you can also check the YouTube videos, and you can also check Skillshare, as there are tens of, or maybe even hundreds of classes with Affinity products. And Skillshare basically is a tutorial based site which you pay for use. They're running a subscription, I believe it's between $80 and $100 a year, but they do offer trial version as well. My link is down below in the description, which you can get 2 free weeks. So once you download Affinity products and you would like to do some Skillshare classes, just go through that link. You will get 2 weeks free of the tutorials. And on YouTube you can get Affinity tutorials as well. And there are several for all of the softwares which they have on offer. So for Affinity Photo, so for Affinity Designer and Affinity Publisher, you will find free tutorials on YouTube. So here is a basic tutorial how to remove backgrounds in Affinity Photo. There are hundreds of tutorials. Just to recap, as I said, the photo is for editing photographs, and you can do quite a lot, and it's very similar to Photoshop, much better than any free software. The designer is to work with vector-based files. It's like Adobe Illustrator. The publisher is like Adobe InDesign. You can publish ebooks and magazines and things like that. So basically, right now they're running a sale. You're paying only one price for each of them. So you're not paying monthly. You're not paying any subscriptions, anything like that. You get free tutorials on their site, free tutorials on YouTube. Or should you choose to go with the Skillshare, you can enroll with the Skillshare, and for 2 weeks you can learn for free. And Skillshare not only has Affinity, they have pretty much about 30,000 different classes. And there is graphic design, there is photography, there is freelance, entrepreneurship, business analytics. There are various workshops. So there is a lot on this website. And the last thing with regards to recapping the Affinity offer is they offer 90 days trial. So if you don't want to pay anything, just enroll with the trial. All the links to the trials will be down in the description below. And then maybe wait till January. I think to buy the software is better to pay to get a 50% off deal than 30% off deal. So 30% will come in the end of November this year, and 50% should come in January based on the past 12 months. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.